Vegas Drift. This shit about to be popping. Let's go.
I'm right where you left me. The tower of memories. I just want this movie to end. Serious scars. Chasing rainbows in my old consciousness. I never wanted moments I wish I could forget. Wake up in cold sweat. Wake up in cold sweat. So hard to let go. I speak and I choke up. I can't turn the TV off. When the chord gets all I wanted was you. Drive twice through my conscience. In the darkness, I see visions of you. I'm right where you left me. The tower of memories. Microscope diving deeper in my own consciousness. I never wanted moments I wish I could forget. Wake up in the cold started. Wake up in the cold started.
Welcome to Vivid's video. I don't even know if he's gonna post it or not, either way. Check out his clips.